welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Wish Week actually. Alright, so we are moving on this golden week with songs you wish for, and I give them to you. Before we move on with this specific song, we have to mention my other YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I'm gonna play a full playthrough for you guys. That's how you're gonna learn songs there, and it's new, so I need your help. So one way to thank me for the work I'm doing here on Gruvgear Guitar with this specific song now or everything else is to go and subscribe to a new channel. That is the best thing you can do for me right now. So thank you for support, guys. Now let's move on with this song from DJO. It's called End of Beginning. And it's you, Sophia, who asked for this song. So special for you and all you fans out there. So let's go into this one. Without any K-pop, we're gonna go through any chords here. We have like 5, I think. So let's start with the chords. D first, okay? That's how the song starts. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor next, which is a bar chord. You place index finger on the second fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have A next. Open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have the E minor. So that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the G. And that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Now we're gonna work with these chords with a very simple string pattern. It's about 4 downs. So if you grab the first chord D, 1 string around goes like this. Okay, so 4 downs, and notice I'm trying to highlight the 3rd down in the way that I go all the way down to the higher strings. And all the other downs, the first one, the second, and the 4th one, goes a little bit in the bass mid area. It could be a little bit hard to separate that on D because that's just covering 4 strings. But for instance, A, B minor, E minor, and G, it's a little bit easier because you have more space to separate between high and bass strings. You understand that, but just for the purposes of showing how it's done, I use the D. That's the first chord. It's done, and it goes well with that as well. So anyway, enough of talking. Now let's go into the actual song. We're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play D, 4 string rounds, B minor, 3, and A1. We can start there and play. Then it continues with D4, B minor 2, E minor 1, A2, E minor 1, and A2 with a pause in the end. That builds up for the chorus. So D4, B minor 2, E minor, A2, E minor, A2, and the pause. And that is the first verse. Now into the chorus at like 36 seconds in. And when I'm back, that's where I am in the lyrics. You're gonna play now G2, D1, and A1. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, and then the 4th round you're just gonna stay on that G and play it for 4 string rounds. So G2, D1, A1, 3 rounds, and then G4 like this. 3rd round and 4th round. That is the ending of the chorus. Now, into the second verse, a little different from the first one. So let's play and speak in the same time. I think we understand how it's done now. So let's start with D4. B minor 3. A, then D4. B minor 2. minor, and A4. That's the second verse, all right? Then comes the second chorus, played exactly the same way as we just learned the first one, just repetition. And after that second chorus comes the bridge part. We're now about 1 minute and 52 seconds in. You're gonna play A3 plus 1 down, and then B minor. So that's how it's done, and you're gonna do that for 3 rounds. And yeah, that's it. So A to B minor, and 3 rounds of that. Then we're gonna go into the third course, okay? And the third course is very similar to other ones. You're gonna play G2, D1, and A1 for 3 rounds, and then on that last G, instead of playing it for 4 string rounds, you're gonna end it with 2 string rounds, and that's it. All right, so a great song. Thank you, Sophia, for being here on this channel. Wish for this song. Never heard it before. This was the first time, so it's about time to get my ears on the end of beginning. So again, thank you for support, guys, both on this channel and on my new channel, Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. Really appreciate that. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.